These are the different elements of power transmission. Belt drive. Okay. Maybe flat blade they use. There will be a flat belt or flat pulley. If they use over the V belt, V group pulley and V belt, single or double group, whatever, how many groups are, or multiple groups. Belt. So in the belt drive, first we see the drive, okay, and different elements in the belt drive and cross drive. Now, what are the different types of belts? The belt drive, हम belt लगाई. It may be either flat belt, V belt, raved belt, and कुछ gear कुछ belts, मतलब वैसे belt. नातान भी उन्हें वही रस. Okay, if you open the car bonnet, you will find what type of belt. Okay, good belt. So belt is an endless band. It's endless because it continuously rotating, like endless band. Belt, belt is an endless band made of leather or rubber impregnated with the fabric material which transmit the power from driven pulley to the from driver pulley to the driven. So this is the definition of the belt. Belt is an endless band made of either leather or rubber impregnated with fabric or can be asbestos something which transmit the power from driver pulley to the driven. What is driver pulley? The pulley which is driven by the motor of the electric motor is called driver. Driven pulley which is driven by the driver pulley through the belt called driven pulley. This side as well. Slack side, the slack side of the belt which moves the driver pulley to the driven pulley is called slack side. Tight side of the belt which moves from driven pulley to the driver pulley is called tight side. Okay, the advantages of belt drive. What are the different types of advantages of belt drive? It is first.
Advantage of belt drive. In this video, we will discuss about the advantage of belt drive. It consists of driver pulley, driven pulley, and flat belt. Belt drives can transmit only a definite load. If it exceeds a specific load, leads to slippage. Belt drives have the ability to absorb its shock and dampen vibration at specific load conditions. Belt drives can transmit power over longer distance.
The advantage of this type of belt drive is they are simple, they are economical. Parallel shafts are not connected. Parallel shafts are not required. They can transmit power to design load. If load exceeds, the belt starts slipping. कितला लोडात belt design केला तितला load जातो. चढ गेला belt, there will be a film signal. It will get slipped. They can transmit power up to design load. If load exceeds, belt will start slipping. Ability to absorb shock and dampen vibration, provide a speed modification. They are very economical when shafts are separated by large distance. This shaft that shaft at a distance when the drive is. These advantages of belt drive, some adjustment of center distance or use of idle pulley is necessary for wear and stretch compression. Maybe there are chances the belt will get slipped, so it requires some additional idle pulley over there. I mean, of this assembly must be provided to install an endless belt. This assembly separate must be provided to install endless belt. Types of the belt drive, we have open belt drive and cross belt. We already discussed what is the open belt drive or the cross belt. Selection of the belt drive, the speed of the driving and driven shaft. This is very important. Whenever we are going to design any belt drive, selection of the belt drive, either the speed of the driving and driven shaft is required. Driver kitne gudala ne driven. Driver speed, no whatever the RPM is mostly provided on the motor instruction. The motor RPM बदला 3 HP motor of 700 kilowatts, 1400 RPM. The single phase 3 mention that It means that on motor input, this driver pulley is already given. You have to find out the next. Speed of the driving and driven shaft, speed ratio, reduction ratio, power to be transmitted, center distance between shaft, positive drive requirement, and shaft layout. These are the some selection points. Speed of the driving and driven shaft, speed reduction ratio. कितने speed reduce सब आते हैं, power to be transmitted, कितने power transmitted होता है, center distance with the shaft, and positive drive requirement is the layout and space available. How much space is available is also expected to be considered. Now, belt material. हम वेल्डर सीखते हैं, बेल्ट ड्राइव सर्विस डाले तो बेल्ट मटेरियल, तो बेल्ट जो मटेरियल हम यूज करते हैं तो ब्लैक कलर आपका बहुत टिक मिला है. It is leather belt or cotton or fabric belt, rubber belt and balata belt. So these are the four material used for making the belt. What is a leather belt? Widely used due to the high insufficient of friction, ability to stretch slightly without damage, ability to stretch slightly without any damage, and load bearing capacity. So these are the following terms behind the leather belt. Fabric, canvas or cotton. This is mostly the black color, that is canvas or fabric, or on the floor we'll find same fabric, canvas or cotton. Chip and used with impregnation, used for light power transfer. It is chip pasta used for impregnation and impregnation used for light power transfer. Then the rubber balata is similar to the rubber belt, except the balata gun is used instead of rubber and it is not vulcanized. So vulcanized black color, the rubber used for integrate cotton fibers and get determined with the sunlight or balata is similar to the rubber belt, except that balata gum is used instead of the rubber and it is not repeated. It does not deteriorate with time, but it will a small withstand of temperature above 50 degrees. This is a balata. These belts are wear proof and acid proof. Which belt है? Balata belt. These belts are waterproof and acid proof. याद हो रहा है? Then belt joints. We have different types of belt getting joints, and some of the belt joints is shown here. Cemented joints, lace joint, and hinge joint. This is the way of joining a belt. Belt is a long around the joint. We require to join the belts via the cemented joint, lace joint, and hinge joint. These are different type belt. Cemented joint. What is the cemented joint? The ends are shaped to avoid lump, and the joints cemented and held together under pressure. So cemented mostly ends are shaped in to avoid lump and joint centered and held together pressure. Lace joints. You can see this white color is lace though. It is used to hold this joint or tight. So lace joint, the ends are cut square and bottom together, ends are square bottom together, and lacing threaded through hole punch in the end of the hole. I think एक point में तो होला ना कि lacing provide करें joint. Hinge bolt. What type of hinge bolts are used? It is made by securing row of wire loops in the belt and locking them together with a steel wire pin. Like this. Last is flash point. What in bulk? Sorry, flat bed. Flat bed.
Flat bed. In this video, we will discuss about the flat bed. Flat bed consists of fabric cord, rubber cover. Flat bed is rectangle, and they are most widely used to transmit moderate power from one shaft to another, which are at a distance of 5 to 10 meters.
So this flat bed. The selection of the flat bed is rectangular and they are sorry, the section of the flat bed is rectangular and they are most widely used to transmit moderate power from one shaft to another, which are at a distance of 5 to 10 meters. So when we are going to select the belt drive, open belt drive, we can go only when there should be a distance between the two pulleys 5 to 10 meters. Less we can go for V belt. Something less than then chain drive or can congested then gear drive. So friction surface they are shown here. The belt below there is like this friction surface. Next is called V belt. The V belt rubber is a cross section they are shown here. Okay, this trapezoid they are shown now. This is the cross section of the V belt. It is not full V, but the cut one because it has to go inside the V group. The boss cut. The V belt you can see.
In this video, we discuss about the V-belt.
This is the actual view of the bed. Bed asasta. It's like fabric cord, rubber cord.
This view to transmit larger amounts of power from one shaft to another, which is relatively at a smaller distance, generally less than 2 meters.
So the distance between the two pulleys
In this
from
video, we
one
discuss
shaft to
about
another should be a 2 meter length. It's a V-belt trapezoidal and it's designed to run the V-shaped groove. It is used to transmit large amount of power from one shaft to another, which are relatively the smaller distance, generally less than 2 meters. Then multiple, say if there is a one group pulley and one belt passing, that is a single V group pulley. If there are 3 or 4 belts are used, 4 groups pulleys are is already used, then it can say the multiple V group belts. 1 or 3, 4 means common the multiple V belts. So multiple V belts are designed to provide better belt to pulley contact. The specialized rubber compound incorporate a high temperature polymer formulated to maximize load carrying requirement and belt life. The belt drive has been constructed and engineered to meet the stringent demands of today's automotive drive system. Second is called ribbed belt. Ribbed belt means look like this. There are small triangle notches will be here, and there will be some rectangle shape. Okay, cross section like this. This is called ribbed belt.
V-belt. In this video,
Okay,
we
good, Arun.
discuss about V-belt.
Dinanath. What is this?
Bridge.
These are the ribs. This is the
The three
fabric cord.
resemble a flat bed on top with deep sheep ribs on the bottom.
That's what Sargu was. Tooth belt. This belt called tooth belt. This is a pulley, and there are tooths provided. It is called a tooth belt. Tooth belt. Tooth belt. You can see the gear belt also. Timing
In
belt.
this video, we will discuss about tooth belt. Let us see the tooth belt in the movie view. Driver, student, motor. Tooth belts are widely used, but initial thought is high.
Pulley also similar. It has a thick. So tooth get coincide and then all get transferred. Tooth whip belt has a 0% to slip. So here you can avoid the slippage also. Tooth whip belts are widely used where initial torque is high, initial speed very high, and tooth whip belts have 0% slip. Now classification of belt drive. Now how the belt drives are classified. First is light drives, medium drives, and heavy drives. The light drive म्हणजे किती होता? These are